Hello everybody, my name's Carson. I'm a sales engineer at Inertial Sense, and congratulations on making your first purchase of your development kit. We're excited to be working with you, and we're confident that our INS solution is going to meet the needs that you have moving forward with your project. Okay, so I'm going to give you some pointers just to kind of get you started on the right foot. All right, before the arrival of this package, or the inertial sensor, I recommend that you check out a couple of things. All right, I'll point you to them. First thing I want you to do is come over to the Inertial Sense website. Once you've arrived at the Inertial Sense website, you're going to want to check out some of our resources. Okay, if you look where my mouse is circling, you'll see our resources tab right here. Just hover over it and come down to Documents or Downloads. Both of those tabs are going to take you to the exact same place. So click on one or the other. Once you've arrived there, you're going to see two sections, our documentation and our downloads. Okay, this documentation section is going to be a great resource for you as moving forward. The main reason is because of this user manual. Okay, if you click on the user manual, you'll see an in-depth manual full of things that you're going to need moving forward. Okay, you've got hardware, software, communication protocols, RTK, more information about our RTK engine, including dual compassing. You can find that in there. Multi-frequency, general configuration, software development kit, how to log and plot the data. All of that is going to be in this documentation section. If you have additional questions, you're welcome to send me an email. Also, on our website, when you go to our homepage, you will see a picture of me pop up saying, what questions can I answer for you? Those questions will come directly to me. If they're complicated, I'll send them over to our team of additional engineers. Either way, we will get your questions answered. In addition to the documentation, we also have our downloads. So I would recommend you start out with what we call our Eval-Tool, and that's exactly what it sounds like. That is our tool for evaluation. How you get to that for downloading is you click on our software releases. That software releases page is going to take you to GitHub. This is Inertial Sense GitHub. If you scroll down a little bit, you will find the Eval-Tool installer. I recommend you click on it. Okay, our Eval-Tool supports Windows and Linux. If you have a MacBook, you're going to have to download, I use Parallels. That way you can pull it up and you can use the Eval-Tool. Once you've got it downloaded, you're going to see the Eval-Tool right here. Okay, so it's got that Inertial Sense logo going through it. You're going to click on that Eval-Tool and it's going to pull up our software interface. Okay, it's very, very easy to use. It's got everything you need. I'll go into more depth on that in some upcoming videos. The next video I'm going to make is going to go over some of the hardware you receive in your development kit so you know what to do with the stuff once you get it. So watch my next video if you have any questions. Let's get you taken care of. If you have questions, feel free to reach out. We're in this together. Okay, we'll make each other successful. Good luck.